Okay, guys, so yesterday we looked at simple sentences, and like I said, today we're going to look at compound sentences and then compare the two. So, with a compound sentence, you actually have two simple sentences, and they're going to be conjoined by what's called fanboys. Fanboys is an acronym, and it stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. So the way that a compound sentence works is you will have your simple sentence with subject and predicate, and then you'll have comma and then one of fanboys, and then another simple sentence. So you can also use a semicolon to separate the two sentences as well, and I'll show you how that works at the bottom. So the first one has the skeletons danced all night long. If you remember yesterday, that was our simple sentence. So we have the skeletons as our subject, and then the predicate, which is danced all night long, which is what they did. Then we have fanboys, so we used comma and we used the A in fanboys, which is and, comma, and they scared many people. So subject, they, what did they do? They scared many people. So we have the skeletons danced all night long, comma, and they scared many people. And that's how we make a compound sentence. You can also look at the version at the bottom. Instead of using comma and, you can use a semicolon. So they changed, instead of doing comma and, they used a semicolon. So the skeletons danced all night long, they scared many people, and that works as well. So now I want you to practice writing 3 compound sentences on your own. And then when you're done with that, you're going to do the same thing as yesterday, except this time we're identifying the subject, the fanboys that's used, and the predicate. So we look at the example sentence. It says, Mrs. Garcia hates scary things, so she won't go to Fright Fest. So my first sentence, the subject is Mrs. Garcia, so that's why the S is there. The predicate is, what does she do? She hates scary things, so the P's there. And then our fanboys, let me move it over because it's not in the correct place. Our fanboys is common, comma, so we'll move the F there, and I'll move the predicate over a little bit. And then we have our second sentence, she won't go to Fright Fest. So she is the subject, and what won't she do? She won't go to Fright Fest, and that's the predicate. So you'll do that for the next 5 sentences, and then you'll turn it in.